Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pause Windows updates on your Windows 11 computer. And this is very simple. Go on down to the Start menu and then go to Settings and scroll on down to Windows Updates right here. And we have the option to check for updates, but it says pause updates. You have this option to go to 1 week. And the most that we can actually pause updates is up to 5 weeks just through the settings on here. So we can select this. And then it's going to be paused. Now it says you've reached the maximum of pause time to help keep your device secure and get the latest updates. And you'll be able to pause again. So it makes you update at some point in time, but sometimes there's a new update that comes through and it's going to just not work on your computer, or some of the apps are just having a problem with updates. You can always just pause it, and then you can revert the changes as well with some sort of like system restore. So you can just type that in, system restore, or the recovery options, or it is RSTRUI, and run this command and open this up. And this will allow you to go back to a different restore point. So let's go to choose a restore point, and then we can go to an earlier date. And then we can pause the update, and then we can just wait for an update to come out to fix the previous update that was causing an issue on our computer. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.